All that hard work, we biting this bread at the end of the day. Cook good and look good. Y'all, let's make some No More Knead bread. Now, this is my daddy recipe, so shout out to him. We created this recipe probably like 10 years ago now, off of an all recipe, spin-off / spirited I know better than you. You know what I'm saying? Because we do flavors, boo-boo. Y'all, the full recipe is going to be in the description below. I'm going to give y'all a story time because like I told you, people want me to talk and give recipe and put personality. I'm figuring out how I'm balancing this all. I ain't even going to hold you, okay? Last Cook Good and Look Good, I said we back to cooking, but then somebody directly was like, we love the energy that you're putting down behind things. So I was like, what I'm going to start giving these recipes where I have the whole visual and you can see the actual physical in the description while getting a little story time in the deliverance. All right, y'all. So this bread is a crunchy, moist, sweet bread. And my dad, shout out to him. He's a retired head cracker. And most people don't know this, but he's from a small town called Beat a Lot of Kids. Now, will I have to bleep that out? Definitely. But the truth is, a lot of my high level energy and tenacity is because my dad is a U.S. Marine. And, you know what I'm saying? We didn't want for nothing as kids. We was really middle class majority of our life. We went to different states, another country. Shout out to going to Okinawa and getting this 6-piece cast iron set from this wilderness store that he was just so set that culinarily that I was going to be proficient, as per said in other videos, that he got a 6-piece started in Okinawa. Then we come back stateside. He going to get another 6-piece from Lodge, and I think one from Maytag or something, Walmart's brand of cast iron. They all good once you see them. Okay, that's the most reasonable. We take a moment and move down to this place called Bennisville and get what's called freed, enslaved, inherited land, okay, aka airland. Now that brought us to this level of work. When I say us, it was my sisters and my cousins. Now, the older you were, the more workload you had to do. We up here doing farm work, early morning style, feeding goats and chickens and ducks and eating and plucking and just doing all what's enough is enough. And I'm just going to let you know, as far as benefit go, it eat booty meat. So we got creative a lot more than we got, into the Bennisville arts of booty meat eating. And my dad was like, we're going to create this recipe up here about this no meat bread. And I don't really make no bread, so we're going to make it easy instead. So he literally goes on all recipe. He look at all the don't need bread. He's like, I could do better than that. So he get all the recipes from Wally World. He get all the recipes, ingredients, if you will, from Wally World. And we go to Wally World, come home, and we put all these ingredients together. And he get a fiery going by the time the in-betweens of Wally World happen. He fast. And we got these red embers. You know what I'm saying? It's a simmering fire now. It's just slow and low. And you barely see any flame. And he just cooked the bread. Now, did the bread normally have a burnt bottom? Yes, but that's what made it interesting. That's what gave it character. But we really didn't have no more need to eat any more other bread in my family. Oh God, my mama wanted this bread, my aunt, my cousins, you know what I'm saying? My auntie cousins, if you will. That's how country it got. You eat this bread with a knob of butter. Mess around here, have some editing to do, mess around here, having another food to make. It's just a little laborsome of time, love, and effort. You know what I'm saying? All that hard work, we biting this bread at the end of the day. It was nothing that Marine could say to let us know that bread wasn't okay. That bread was a sentiment of love. Yes, it was. Just know that the density will be changed if you use craisins, okay? That it can become more moist, if you will. So use raisins. Enjoy, y'all. Love you. It's your girl, Queemie Jones. Bye.